Welcome to day 3 of our CapCut Beginner Series. Yesterday, you learned how to cut and split clips. Today, we are adding that extra magic, smooth transitions between your clips. Transition is that visual effect that helps you to move from one clip of the video to another. Take for example, you want to deliver a speech and you have 3 points to give in that speech. With the help of transition, your audience will know when you want to give another point. Transition helps your video to look clean, creative or stylish. In CapCut, we have common transition styles like fade, zoom, slide, etc. Transition helps your video flow naturally and it keeps viewers' attention longer. So that being said, let's dive into the video. Let's go. Step 1. So open your project in CapCut. I believe you know how we got here. If you don't know, go and watch my first and second video, okay? So click on the project button. Then select your video. Make sure you have at least 2 clips side by side on your timeline. Step 2. Add transition. Please take notes. You don't add transition anywhere you see. Check the 2 clips. In between, you will see a little white box. That's your transition button. Tap it. You will find different kinds of transition here. Tons of categories. You just have to select the one that suits your video. Let's go first with slide. Just tap on it. Then adjust the duration. You can keep it between 0.5 to 1 second. For smooth flow, it all depends on you. Just choose any duration you want for your transition, okay? By dragging this icon, either forward or backwards. After that, click on the check mark. This is the step 4. Then finally, step 5. Press play to preview your transition. If it feels natural, congrats! You just leveled up your editing game. Wow, did you see the transition? Let's choose another transition, but first, you need to undo the first transition. Tap the undo button, which is the curved arrow. Now you have removed the first transition. Tap on the small white box again to select new transition. Then adjust the duration and then preview your video by tapping on the play button. I hope you saw the transition. Easy peasy. Now, let's play the before and after. Follow me for day 4. We will learn how to add text and titles that grab attention like a pro. So, don't miss it.